Second part you see on this very particular trainer. Okay, so this is the balance modulator, this is ceramic band pass filter, and this is the second balance modulator. So why this has been done? This will provide you the setup for generating a single sideband signal. So the previously what you saw in the first video was your double sideband full carrier signal. So here what we will see the single sideband signal, how that is going to be obtained. So very first thing what I have to do is, you have to go in a very similar manner. You have to select a baseband signal here, your audio signal. That very particular audio signal is now getting mixed with your 455 kilohertz of carrier frequency, that we call it as an intermediate carrier frequency, and output of the balance modulator will be your AM signal. So we'll see it on the channel 2. Okay, so first it will be your AM signal. Okay, so you see here, first we will be generating AM signal by using a carrier frequency of 455 kilohertz, that is intermediate frequency, and taking the baseband signal. The first signal we generate will be your double sideband full carrier signal. So here you will see the upper envelope, this FC plus FM, this is the lower sideband, this is your FC minus FM, and in the center you see your carrier frequency. The three components are there. So now what we are going to do is, here now we are going to eliminate the carrier, as the carrier seems to be a vestigial part of the signal. It doesn't carry any kind of information and just consumes the power. So we eliminate and we'll save the power by generating an SSB signal, which we have already studied well in the class. So how that is going to be achieved? By just adjusting the modulators. You will see the effect on the signal when I adjust the balance modulator. See here, something is happening. Both the envelopes are coming close to each other. Now they are crossing each other. You keep on adjusting the CRO. They both are crossing each other. So the moment comes when this lobe becomes equals to this lobe. So both the lobes are equal. So this is the moment where your carrier is suppressed. Now you are left only with two components, that is FC plus FM or FC minus FM. Okay. So now I will pass this very particular signal through the ceramic band pass filter. Band pass filter means it will allow only one particular frequency to pass it. So as we have added 455 kilohertz to it, so this is a 455 kilohertz plus ceramic band pass filter, which will allow only one band to pass. And you will see the output of your ceramic band pass filter. Will be a single sideband that is transmitted. In the previous case, what you have seen? In the previous case, what you have seen both the bands overlapping each other. Okay. So when it is passed to the ceramic band pass filter, only you will see one band is passing, that is FC plus FM. So that is the result here at the output of your ceramic band pass filter. Okay. So what it actually has done, it has elevated your signal's frequency, the baseband signal's frequency, which was somewhere around 2 to 3 kilohertz audio signal's frequency, but now it has enhanced 455 plus 3. So now this very particular now will act as a baseband signal to be again transmitted through another step of modulation for forwarding. Or this very particular frequency can be also passed for transmission. As this is a low carrier frequency, you won't be able to transmit the signal at this very particular frequency. So you can transmit this very particular frequency with a higher carrier signal to be transmitted as in a form of a SSB signal. Thank you.